the significance, the symbolism behind all this. Let's give our viewers a live update. Mohan Bhagwat has reached Smriti Mandir.
Well, yes, of course, Swati, and we had shown the cavalcade. The cavalcade has just reached Mohan Bhagwat, RSS Chief Sar Sanchalak Ji has already reached Smriti Mandir. We'll see many dignitaries also, and we will be seeing Prime Minister also entering from the same gate. We are giving you the live visual. You can see the security has been heightened, and the road has been in fact barricaded from all sides. There are 3 entrances to this particular road. All of them have been barricaded right now, and SPG commandos and local police is in charge of the security. They are all very strict in the duty, and they're not even letting even a single person bypass this particular road. So it has also been cordoned off for the residents for the time being till the Prime Minister is here. So Mr. Mohan Bhagwat has already reached. He's after becoming the Prime Minister, it is the first time that he is coming to Smriti Mandir. Before that, he had come here in 2012 when he was the Chief Minister, and prior to that, in fact, when Mr. Atal Bihari Vajpayee was the Prime Minister, he had also come here in 2000.
I'll come back to you. Yes. Okay, so you're saying this is the second Prime Minister to come and pay tributes. Atal Bihari Vajpayee had also done that before in 2000 when he was still the Prime Minister. Pragya, stay on with us.